down to my buddy Neil's house. Like I was saying, he has the lift we're gonna use. I got the box in the trunk. Somehow it fit. Rattling behind me in the BMW. That's the last car I used. I sold that to him right before I bought this. So I'm gonna try, if I remember, to take sound clips when we get down there of what it sounds like now. We're gonna be in a neighborhood, so I can't go too loud because the car's really loud right now. His neighbors are old and grumpy. Sorry if his neighbors watch this. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to start posting videos of this car. We're actually going to a car meet tonight, so that should be in this video. Hopefully I remember, again, to film. Not used to filming. Trust me, I'm driving and people looking at me like, what the heck? Sorry. Just trying to post a YouTube video here. Yeah, jeez. Anyway, so yeah.
I hate you. Ready?
Light. A little more.
Out here doing replacing his catted xpipe with an uncatted xpipe on the Mustang. I don't know if you guys have seen the Mustang, but oh, it is hot today. Hottest day of the summer so far. It's like 108 right now. You can tell because my face is like super red. I think we already did it before. I'll just chop another 2.5 to it when we're done. The cats aren't very big. I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference, but maybe it does.
An off-road X-Pipe with an open cat. Sorry, no cat.
Yeah, no cat.
And what, equal length headers, right? Yeah.
There's no such thing as unequal length headers for these?
Yeah.
Don't? Okay. Some of these will hold this wire.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Wow.
Okay, well, here's the problem. We can't get the O2 sensors out. Hey.
Wow. Oh, bro, right in the video.
Come on, man. I'm trying to explain
we don't
it.
make money off these videos.
We have to take the O2 sensor out in whole. And we're gonna just weld this square into there.
Jordan's sister
Go. We have to bend it wider.
It's not the right size.
Go.
Come on, Pansy. Yeah, those will.
Just cut a slit all the way, like.
Even if they don't, we can get it through that.
There wasn't very much left of this pipe before we finished that slit, and then we just bent it out. Because the problem we had was this X pipe was like angled inwards, and we had to get it to spread out to match the headers. Because this X pipe wasn't meant for this set of headers. You're sweaty,
Our pool's still set up, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, we're doing it.
Yeah.
Four sizzle.
Yeah, we're dying here.
Yeah.
We're in the shade, and it's like 102 in the shade right now, and it feels like 80 degrees because of how hot it was with that sun out at full. Now is put that patch on that cut, and then cut some circles out of here or some squares or basically anything to fit those O2 sensors in. A Sharpay. Idiots in a garage as we are. We always get this. Let's be real. Is there a task we haven't completed yet?
Yes.
Is there? What one?
The front suspension in Alex's car.
Shut up. No one knows about that yet.
Oh, yeah. Disclaimer, not our fault.
Oh, I like this shot. Oh, yeah.
Hey, good. What are you doing?
Stop taking the pipe to Pound Town. That's the part he realized everyone heard, so we might as well just go louder.
I've never been in that situation.
Stop talking about it.
It's great. My dad's
You live with
pissed.
just your dad.
Go.
Yeah.
It's upside down.
Oh,
Damn.
goodness. There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, clamps are on. X-pipe is in. Just have to weld our little spot and the gapping.
Update. He's angry.
You're so ghetto.
So we had to cut the pipe as Rylan already showed you, and bend it. So instead of using some pipes, some excess pipes like over there, right?
Instead of just plugging in the plug-in saw and finishing the cut on the regular ass filler, he used a steel saw blade and tacked up his hole.
No, I
Can't even tell.
You shitting me?
Can't even tell. We're not done, obviously, but
Well, now you can tell because I just told you. Fuck you.
No bad, no bad. Yeah, my neighbors hate me.
Can't you see what love and romance have done to me? I'm not the same.
okay. First of all, I'm not sunburnt. There's a car in front of me. Second of all,
Can't you see what
it's a lot louder than I thought it'd be.
have done to me?
Like a lot. I don't know
I'm not the same.
what was heard on that video that was taken. I didn't take it. Neil took it as I drove away because I don't trust people driving my car yet. Idle, it's about the same, maybe a little more. Low RPMs, it's got a different noise. But once you get into the high RPMs, oh man. I'm gonna get pulled over. I'm gonna bet you I'll get pulled over tonight. If I do, I'll video it, yeah. Anyway, we're heading to the car meet. That was at 7:30. It's currently 9:10. Hopefully they're still there. This was supposed to be just a quick bolt-on exhaust style, but everything didn't line up, and we had to modify weld. And then we had to weld one side, and then we found some exhaust leaks. But hopefully there's still some nice cars there. Usually they hang out for a while. So, all right, update. We got to Strongline Espresso. That's where they have the meats. They were almost all gone. There's a Viper and a nice Mercedes left. But apparently most of them headed downtown. So we're gonna go try to catch them there. Rylan and I, Neil, the one helping with exhaust mainly, he's going on a date tonight. I think, I don't know. It's kind of late for that. Said dinner. But he's doing that, so we're gonna head downtown, try to meet up with them. The cruise is usually pretty big. On Friday nights, some big cops show up too, so like I said, might get pulled over tonight, might not. We'll find out. So we're gonna meet them down there, do some cruising, then head home so it doesn't get too late. Go to bed. We got Firebird tomorrow. Probably not gonna film any of that. Firebird Raceway, it's drag strip. My family's huge in drag racing, so we're not more straight liner family. Although my Mustang takes corners nice. Hear that? That's like I said, it's pretty noisy. But ooh, we got a tunnel up here. I'll show you that. Here's my old car.
What'd you do to this tranny? It popped out a third.
I didn't do nothing to it. You did it. Didn't have a problem when I owned it. Oopsies. All right, I know it's dark, but to finish off today's video, the car cruise is kind of a bust as well. A lot of cars that flew past me. But yeah, the car cruise is kind of a bust. I did meet up with a guy from our Air Force base with a 750 horsepower Pro-Charged Mustang. Completely forgot to take a video of it. It makes my car sound like a Prius. It's nice. I need one of them in my life. I need a 5.0, not a 4.6. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Sorry I didn't get any other cool cars. Cars and Coffee's next weekend. I'm going to try to film for that. Hopefully I'll get that out to you guys. Other than that, have a great rest of your day, night, evening, whatever it is, and I'll see you next time.